These are quadruped rainbows. So we're going to start on our hands and our knees, making sure that our knees are directly below our hips and your wrists are directly below your shoulders. You're going to bring your abs in. So you're going to engage your abs by pulling your belly button up and towards your spine and keeping your ribs down. So you're kind of thinking about bringing your ribs and your hip bones together to engage your core. So go ahead and get that core engaged. And then we're going to bring one leg straight back. We're going to lift it up. And then we're going to bring it over to the side here. Tap and then back over. So you can see we're kind of making a rainbow. We're tapping here and then back over here. So you're going to feel this on the working leg, the leg that is moving, and you're also going to feel this on the leg that is still touching the ground because that's the leg that is stabilizing you. So you're trying to minimize the movement through your trunk as your leg is moving side to side.